Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is a SSIS end-to-end the project. So till now we have completed the total 15 labs. So I will explain you the lab number 16. So basically the lab number 16, in this lab we will do the automatically execute the SSIS package using the SQL Server Agent and SQL Job. So basically the friends, we have completed the lab number 15 and now this is the lab number 16. So I will just give the some the intro about the this SSIS project. So basically we have completed the all the my the packages that we built. So basically we have the extract the data from the MySQL server, then we have the FTP server. Okay, after that we have the load the data into the one staging table. So this is my staging table for the SND application. Okay, and this is my source for the SAP application. Okay, once we load the data into the order dump table, then we have created some the log, okay, for as per the business requirement. And after the creating this log, we have the whatever the Excel file, we will archive those Excel file into the archive folder. Okay, and we will load the data into the this staging table. Okay, so once this process done, then after that we will transform this data using the SQL script. Okay, then we will load this data into the one of the warehouse database. Okay, once the data will loaded, then we will generate the analytical report, okay, based on the as per the business requirement. So this is my the package that will work for that. So it will be every day, it will be run at 10 o'clock, and every 1 hours it will be loading the data from the source system. It will be extract the data into the this staging table. After that it will be also done the transformation load this part, and after the this one it will be generating the report in every 1 hours. Okay, so this process as of now we have done using the SSIS. Okay, so this is my SSIS package that will be work for the same. Okay, so I will open my SSIS package. So till the SS package will load, so I will just give the detail. So this is a different lab that we completed. So the this is the FTP server. Then we have generated the Excel log. Then we have the MySQL server, and now we will combine all the modules into the one single the package. Then we have also generate the output data. For that we have to load the data, extract the data, and now the part is for the automation part. So now once my package is completed, then I will deploy those package into the SSI server using the SQL the script. Okay, so this package we will deploy into the SSIS catalog. Okay, in where the SSIS DB will be work. Okay, after that we will last step is that the automatically run the our SSIS package using the SQL Server Agent, and this the automatical execution will be done based on the business requirement. Okay, so the this is my package. So I will just open that package. Okay, still the package is loaded. So I will briefly explain about the in a lab number 16. So basically in a lab number 16 what we will do, so we will complete the automation part. So the my package as of now we will run manually, but as per the business requirement we need this package run automatically every 1 hour. Okay, every 1 hours it will be run, and as per the package will be done, same job will be done. So for that we will use the for the SQL Server Agent. Okay, so SQL Server Agent is a component of the Microsoft. Okay, so this component basically useful for the schedule and automate the task. Okay, and it will be run database backup for the database processing and other tasks. Okay, so basically for that Microsoft will be used for the we will use the Microsoft agent, and in that agent will be done for the this automation part. So more about the what is the agent and how we can configure the SQL job. So for that I will show you the detail. So basically SQL Server Agent and job. So basically the SQL Server Agent is a job scheduling tool that in a Microsoft SQL Server that will be automatically administrative tasks like a backup, database maintenance, then a report generation. It will also run the Windows services, allows the scheduling, monitoring, and executing the task automatically. Okay, so the key feature for this, so automatically automation of the recruiting task. So it will be a recruiting task if anything. So it will be done by using the SQL agent. Then monitor the job, log execution of the history. So it will also maintain the log, then execution history, send the alert notification on the job success or failure. Okay, so that will also we will check in this session. Support the job execution across the multiple servers. So it is a very good feature that it will be support the execution for the whatever the job, it will be across the multiple servers. Okay, so then we will check that what is the SQL Server Job. So basically, job is a task. Basically, it is a set of the one or more step executed sequentially by using the SQL Server Agent. Okay, each step can be run using the SQL script or store procedure or SSIS package or PowerShell script or any executable command. So the this is the one kind of the job that will be sequentially executed the task. Okay, then job component, basically it having the some component that we will check in the practically as well. So the step like individual task executed in a order. So we will also check that how we can step. So different step is there, so we will check the how we can the different step we will use for the automation of the task. The schedule, so second is the schedule. So it will be define the job run. It will be like the daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, or etc. So basically this is the second component. Then alert, so basically once we set up the job, then we will give the notification by using the this alert method. So it will be trigger the notification based on the job status, either it will be success or it will be fail. Then operator, so basically it will be the operator is a specific for basically it will be useful for the who receive the job alert. Like if suppose any kind of job failed or success, then we will be receive the job alert, like DBA team, admin team, or respective team will be get the notification कि this is the job will fail or this is the job will be success. Okay, so for example, for the creating the job, so for that we need to using the SSMS. So SSMS is the tool that will be useful for the managing the SQL databases. Okay, and we will also use for the SSMS for the creating the job. Okay, then for the creating the job, so there are different steps. Open, first of all we need to open the SQL Server Manual Studio. Then we can expand the SQL agent, and there is a job. So after that we can right click on the job, create a new job. After that we will configure the job, like we provide the name like job name, step, schedule, and notification. After that click on OK and start the jobs. So after that we will schedule the job and we can monitor the job. So this is a simple method for the scheduling the job. So now we will check directly by the practically. Okay, so basically for that, the step number one, first of all we need to just open the my SQL server. Okay, so first of all we need to open my SSMS. So this is my SSMS. Okay, so where I will connect using my credential. So first step we need to connect our SSMS. Okay, so as you know, so in a previously we have completed this job. Okay, and also we have to deploy this package into the SSIS DB. Okay, in a SQL server using the project method. Okay, so that the package also we have to deploy into the SSIS DB. So that will I will also show you. So this is my integration services. Okay, so I will refresh the things. So once we connected to the SSMS, then first of all we need to go for the SSIS catalog. So integration services catalog, in a previous session I have explained you how we can deploy the package into the SSIS DB. So this is the SSIS DB. So this database will be store the all the deployed package information. Like we have the in the last session we have deployed the order analysis, this the SSIS package. So in that we have to check the project, and here this is my project deploy SSIS package. Under that this is my package. So this package contain the all the detail, like how we can the retrieve the data, like this detail, like we have the schedule, we have the created the job that will be taking the data, and after that loading the data, it will be also generating the report. Okay, so basically for that uh, you can check the lab number 15 for the more information. Okay, so this package we have already deployed. Now the part is for the automation part. So for that we will go to the SQL Server Agent. So after that we click on the plus sign. So there is the job option. Okay. So for the scheduling the job, we need to create the job. Okay. So for that, first of all, we need to right click on it and we can click on the new job. Okay. So this is the step number one. So we need to create a new job for the this SSIS package. So this window will open. So here we need to provide the name of the package. So I will give the name like order analysis job. So this is my the job name, order analysis. Okay. Order analysis automation. Okay. So because of we have the automation of the part, so I have given this name. Okay. And after that we need to provide the owner. So basically owner is the basically the name, basically this is the credential for the Windows login. So as of now I'm directly using the Windows authentication. So this owner is the basically it will be basically having the rights for the execution, troubleshooting, maintenance, whatever the things that will be, it will be done by the owner part. Okay. So as of now I will the use the same name, same owner. Then category. So basically this category, basically this SQL job, if suppose it is for the any kind of the data collector, then if you can check the database engine tuning advisor or database maintenance or different type of category. So as of now I have not created any category. So because of this is the my automation part, so I will give the category as a uncategorized or local. Okay. Now, once it will be done, then I will change the category. Okay. So description. So here we need to provide the description for this SQL job. So I will give the description like this SQL job is for automation SAP application to SND. It will use SSIS package for ETL operation and generate the order summary report. Okay, so you can give the description as per the requirement. So and also you can give the more information like this package this process run every 1 hours. Okay. In every 1 hours. Okay, so you can give the description and after that you can go to the step number. This is the second option, the step. So basically we need to provide the step. So for the scheduling this job, we have the define the step like so for the different step. So I will show you how you can create a step. So you can after the clicking the step, you need to go to the, this is a new tab. Okay, this is a new tab. You can click on that new tab, the step name. So basically this step basically give you for the more information about the job. So I will just give the step one, select SSIS package. Okay, so this is my step. So I am selecting the SSIS package. So the here you can check below is the type. So the second step for the selecting, here we need to select the like the this is the SQL Server Integration Services package. So for the scheduling the job, so we can schedule the job like this many the option, like we can schedule the job for the PowerShell. We have the SQL Server script like T-SQL query using the replication snapshot, or many option is available. But out of that, because of we have the created the integration services package, and we have the also deploy the package into the SSIS. So we will directly select the SQL Server Analysis Services package. Okay, so once I selected, then it will be asking the run as a the SQL Server Agent service account. Okay, so here I will not provide anything. Okay, so then you can check the package source. It will be the SSIS catalog. So it will be, you can also check the different option. So as of so we have to deploy the package into the SSIS catalog. So we need to select this option for here. Also we there are different options available like SQL Server, file system, package store. So this is the different option for the deployment SSS package. And if you selected, if you deploy the package into the file system, then you can select this option. Or if you selected SQL Server, you can select this option. Okay, so as of now I will select the SSIS catalog, because of I have the deploy the package into the my SSIS DB. Okay, then the server name. So basically here we need to provide the server name. So you can click on the drop down and you need to provide the server name. Okay, so basically it will be take the time for the selecting the server. Once it will be done, then you can check. So the my server automatically fetch. If server not fetch, then you can what you can do, you can directly go to the server where you deploy the SSIS package. Then you can right click on it, then go to the property, and in a property you can check this is the name. So you can directly copy this name and you can paste here. Okay, so as of now the server name fetch automatically, so I will not select anything. Directly you can check this is a login onto your server. So by default the Windows option is enabled because of we have the login using the Windows authentication. So I'm not done, I will not do anything, but I will directly select the package. So for that you can come here, the package option, and click on the three dot. So once you click on the three dot, so automatically integration services catalog it will be open, because of we deploy the package into the SQL Server integration services catalog. So this is my SSIS DB that I already show you. So I will also show you again. So once you click on the SSIS DB, then you will receive the two folders. So basically in that SSIDB there are two project deploy. One is the sales analysis and second one is the order analysis. So as of so we have the deploy the sales order analysis this project. So you can click on the plus sign, then second is the project name, and under the project you can check this is my order analysis dot dtsx file. So we need to select this dtsx file and click on OK. Now this is the done. So we have the successfully select the package. Now then you can go to the advanced part. So as of now we will not done any kind of things for this. So the next is a schedulation. So after the step you can come here for the schedule part. Okay, so you can click on the new, and basically here we need to provide the schedulation part. So when my SSIS package or this job will run. Okay, so basically as per the business requirement uh, we will add the task. Okay, so basically first of all the name. So here we need to provide the name for the schedulation. So I will use the step 2. So this is my step number 2. So I will schedule the job. So the schedulation type. So basically it will be recruiting, or it is a one time, or set the automatically when the SQL Server agent start, or it will be start when the CPU come idle. So this is a different option. So as of now, as per the business requirement, this is a recruiting job. So why the recruiting? Because of we need to run this SSIS package every 1 hours. Okay, so in every 1 hours the data will be loaded, and after that it will be, first of all it will be extract the data from the Excel file, then from the FTP server. Okay, so if you check, so this is my FTP server where the every 1 hours data will be uploaded. So we need to load the data in every 1 hours. Okay, and also the MySQL server, so this is a live system where the generating the orders. Okay, so we need to fetch the order from the, this is a live system. Okay, so because of the, as per the business requirement, so we need to load the, or we need to extract the data in every 1 hour. So this is the one of the recruiting process. So we will schedule the recruiting the job. Schedulation type is recruiting, because of every 1 hours we will execute the this job. So then the frequency, the second part is the frequency. So the frequency basically weekly, daily, monthly. So as of you know, so in a daily basis we need to run this job, so I will select the daily. Then recruit every day, 1 day, or it will be uh, so basically it is the option. So in a daily basis, the first day, or it is any kind of option, so 2 day, like that. So as of now I will select the recruits every 1 day. Okay, means daily basis it will be run. So the now the next daily frequency. So the next part is the daily frequency. It will be run once at the timing we need to provide, or it will be recruit every, this is the second option. So as per the business requirement we need to run the package every 1 hour. So I will select the second option, occurs every 1 hours. Okay, and starting timing 000 and end timing is the uh, 23rd 59:59. So this is the 24 hours format. So this, once we selected this, then you can check the next option is the duration. So for the duration, when it will be asking for the start date, when this job will be start. So this job I need to start immediately, means as of now the current time. So today is the 3/3/2025. So from this date, and also we need to provide the end date. Or if you not selected any kind of end date, then there is a no end date. So if suppose business requirement, as per the business requirement, so this job we have not provided the end date. So we not need to do anything for this. As of now I will select the no end date. Okay, so the it is a summary for the schedulation job. You can check occur every day, every 1 hours between the this 000 to 23rd, means 24 hours, whatever the 24 hours in a that 24 time it will be package will run. Okay, so schedule will be used starting from the this date 3/3/2025. Once it completed, then you can click on OK. Then go to the alert part. So for the alert part, we need to provide the alert. So for that we need to click on add option. So I will give the name step 3 alert, and here we need to provide the SQL Server event. Okay, this is alert. So there is a different option. This is SQL Server performance condition alert, SQL Server event alert, then WMI event alert. So I will select the SQL Server agent. Okay, and database name. So here we need to provide the database name. So as of now, so this the event will be database name is the SSIS DB. So I will select the SSIS DB. Then the number, error number, so 1. So this is the security. So basically we need to provide the miscellaneous system information or any kind of notification. So as per that we need to select the notification, and then we can check the response. So if suppose we require the any kind of response, we click on here and we can add the operator as well. Okay, so as of now I will not done any kind of things, directly click on OK. Then for the notification, so how we can get the notification if my package will fail. So if suppose we have the added email address, so we'll view the, like we can tick on the email and here if you have any kind of the operator that we created, then we can select from here. And here when the job fail or job success, so as of now, as per the business requirement, they need the notification when the job will get failed. So I will select the when the job is failed. So after that, click on OK. So now my package is successfully uh, created. So the now my package, you can check if you refresh this one. So in a SQL Server Agent, in a job, this is my job created successfully. So for the monitoring the job, or if you need any kind of changes, you can click on it and go to the property. Okay, so if you want the change the timing or step, so you just go to the that particular time, so schedule, you can go to the edit option and you can change any kind of things that you required. Okay, after that you can click on OK, and finally you can click on OK. So any kind of notification target, so as of now I will not set any kind of target, but for the notification I will select the this email option. Okay, the alert I already selected, then schedulation I already selected, then click on OK. So this way the job will be created and you can check your job under the in this job option. So now how we can monitor the SQL Server job. Okay, so for that you can check below is a this is the one, the option like job activity monitor. So you can click on view job activity. Once you click here, then you can check the whatever the job schedule, it will be showing here. So this is our SQL job that will be initially just enable is a S, then status is ideal, and the last run unknown because of this is not run last time. So we need to run manually or it will be run by the SQL server. Okay, so as of now I will not set any kind of things because of this job run every 1 hour. So it will be run after the 1 hours. Okay, so next run time you can check after the 1 hours it will be run. So it will be run. So current timing is a 20:26. Okay, so it will be run in a 21. So the after the 1 hours it will be run. But if suppose we want the run job manually, so we can also do that thing. So I will show you how we can run the job manually. So before that, so first of all I need to set up the files. So as you know, so we have the all the data will be placed into the project folder. Here's the input file. So basically I need the archive file, copy the files, and I will place into the input folder. Okay, then second thing, I need to delete the data for the existing because of we will run the manually. Okay, so for that I will click on the new query, and in my the lab number 25 I have the commands available. So I will open the lab number 16. Here the all the my MS SQL server query I will open with notepad. I will select all the query, I will copy, and for the new window I will paste the all the query, and here I will select the data like SSIS DB. Okay, so once we selected, so as of now the data in this table. Okay, so what we will do, so for the running the manual package and we need to check the data will loaded or not. So for that I will truncate the all the data in my current in a database. Okay, so for that I will first of all uncomment and I will execute this command. So as of now I will truncate all the data in a my table, comment the query, and you can check now we have the data will be truncated, there is no data in my this table. Okay, so now what we will do, so we will check whether the this whatever the we schedule the job it will be working fine or not. So for that I will directly click on the this job. So first of all for that you can go to the job, then go to the this order analysis automation, then right click on it and you can start job at step. So this will be start for the manually execution for the this SSIS SQL job. So once you click on the start the job, then this window will appear. So basically this window will indicating whether the job will success or fail. So you can check. So the step number 1 is successfully completed. Now it will be start for the second step, okay, execution for the job. So as of now there is a error. So if you check, there is a error occur. What I will do, so I will close the this one, and I will check the history of this job. So for that I will click on the view history. So in the history part we need to check under the this one. So here we need to go for the this part. So once you click here, so you can check in a below all the history will created. So this error, why it error will occur, and the detail for this error, okay. So once you click here, so you need to select the all the log, you need to copy, and you need to select all, and you need to paste here, okay. So basically this is the log that created if suppose your package will get fail. So step number 1 it will be get failed. So you can check the message, the execution NT service SQL Server agent. So you can check the SQL Server execute package utility version 16.0.1000.6 64 bit, and you can check the message. So package execution is the IS server failed, execution ID is the 30226, execution status 4. And for the to view the detail for the execution, you can right click on the integration service catalog and then open the all execution report. So basically it will be show the give the so detail about the execution for this why this error will occur. So for that what we will do, so as per the given, so we need to go to the SQL Server Integration Services catalog and open the all execution report. So I will go to my integration service catalog, then SSIS DB. So here I need to I will right click on it and go to the report, and as per the given standard report and for the all execution. So once I click on here, then this window will appear. So in that window, basically as per the given, so they given the ID. So basically we will check that particular ID, like execution ID is the 30226, okay, 30226. So basically I will check the 30226. So you can scroll down. So 30226. So I will click on view all messages. So here we need to check why this error will occur. So basically this will be capture the on error. So you can check the error message and the message. So basically the checkpoint file C slash user admin, then source, then repository, then lab number 14. Then it will be saying that the checkpoint.xml failed during the creation due to the error access denied. So basically this will be the error on the access denied. So basically as you know, so basically we are storing the checkpoint in the particular location, and this location getting the error. So basically we need to provide the access for this path, or we need to change the path for this checkpoint. So for that I will open my SSMS, or I will open my package, and if you check, you can right click on it, then go to the property, and here we need to check. So this is my the path for the checkpoint. So what I will do, I will change the path, okay. So how we can change the path? So basically this is the path from the C drive. So because of the C drive, it's having some permission. So we will what we will do, so we will the do the path for the change the path. So I will come around this exercise practical, and in that, so this is my project folder, and in this project folder I will create a checkpoint.xml file, okay. Then I will click on open. So I have to change the path, instead of the C drive I will change the path into the D drive. So then now I will save the package. Okay, then I will click on the solution explorer. Then here I will rebuild the package. Because of we already deployed the package in a SSIS catalog, so I need to redeploy this package. Okay, so for that I will right click on it, then deploy, click on next, click on next. So this is server, then this is the path. So I will click on connect. So basically here the project name already exists. Click the next to the replace the existing project during the deployment. So because of we have the already deployed this project, and because of we are redeploy the project, so that's the reason it will be showing the this project already exists. So we need to click on the next. Okay, then we need to click on deploy. So once it will be done, then it will be start for the deploying the project, and whatever the changes, new changes we have the created, it will be reflected on the my directly into the my SSIS DB. So this is my SSIS DB because of we are deploying the project into the directly SQL Server on the SQL Server integration services. Okay, so the reason is that we have the redeploy our SSIS package. Okay, so the project it will be start for the redeploying the project. It will take some time. So now the my project deploys successfully, then I will click on close, and now I will come here and I will go to the my SSIS DB. So I will right click on it. I will first of all I will refresh all the things. Now you can check the project in the deployment folder. This is my package, and if you check the property, you can click on OK. So now the my package is I have redeploy the package. Now I will manually execute the package. Okay, so for that I will directly go to the order analysis, and I will click on the start job step first. So now it will be start for the execution. And if you check, this is a zero records as of now. So the now my package will start for the execution. Again it will be give the error. So I will close this thing, and now I will go to the property, this reason. Okay, so for that how we can find. So basically after the getting the error, you can go to SSIDB, then go to the report and go to the standard report. So here I will selected all extension. Okay, all execution. So once you click here, so you will get this window. Okay, so this window will retrieve all the data where the package will get failed. So when I check with my operator ID that I got in my previous one, so this is my 241. So when I check this one, so for that, so the my component SSI component got failed to insert into error log, and this is my value. So what is this thing? There are fewer column in a insert statement, then value specify the value clause. So that means the number of value in a values clause is a much much the number of columns specified. So insert statement is a failed. So basically the reason is that, so basically if you check in my SSL package, so this is my control flow and this is my event handler. So I have added the event handler. So when I get any kind of error on the one post execute, okay, so that time I am capturing the log, and I will insert into the this table, error log table. Okay, so for that I have created expression. So in that expression, if you check on the three dot, so in this expression I have additionally add one column. Okay, so due to that, what happened? So this, the whatever the column specify and whatever the value we are passing, that is the one value as extra pass. So that's the reason it is the issue will occur. So what I will did, I have just evaluate expression. You can copy all the expression. Okay, so copy this one and you can come here, and if you execute this one, so in this basically one value is extra. So like you will get like this kind of one additionally value. So basically when I execute this one, so that time it will be saying that there are fewer column in the insert statement than value specified. Okay, so the reason is that this is the value, the null value we have the additional specified. So what we will do, so we will delete this additionally column. Okay, so from this only, and before the whatever the get date, so I have already deleted this value, and then I will evaluate the expression. I will click on OK, click on OK, then click on OK, and now once again I will go to my solution. I will rebuild the solution, build the solution. Once you build it solution, then what you can do, so you can again come to the deployment SSIS package, and you can redeploy the your SSIS package. So you can click on next, select same, and we will what we will do, so already we have the project exist in a SSIS DB. So what we will do, we will replace the existing project. So for that, you just click on the next, and you can deploy your SSIS package. Okay, you can just click on the deployment. So it will take some time, and once it will be done, then we can, it will take some time. So okay, so deployment successful, then click on close. Now come to the SQL Server Management Studio, and here what you can do, so first of all, you can come here and order project deployment. This is a package, and here what you can do, you can just validate the package. Just that's it. Okay, once it will be done, then you can click on OK. So now you can check the report as well. So now it will be running, and it will be validate all the whatever the column, whatever the component that you specify. So it will be all the component are working fine, complete, started. So that means ki our package now is fine. Okay, now what you can do, so you can again come to the jobs in order analysis automation. You can click here and go to the start the at the step. So this will we will manually executing the SS package, and this way we can troubleshoot if suppose our package will get fail. So how we can check the error log as well. So the now step one is a success, and it will go for the step two. So now my package now successfully completed. Now I will click on close, and also you can check the history of the package. So this time the package was completed successfully. So now you can click on close, or in the job monitoring you can check the detail of the package. Okay, so last run succeed, and this one. So you can also auto schedule this package. So I have scheduled it for the 1 hour, so it will be run in a next upcoming next 1 hours. Okay, so you can view the activity, and you can check. So it is a last run, this is a on date, and next run 1000. So it will be run 1 1 o'clock. Okay, I have explained you how we can schedule the exercise package and using the SQL Server Agent and SQL Server Job. Also, we have also checked that how we can, if any kind of error will occur, then how we can check the error and how we can troubleshoot the error for the SQL Server Agent Job. So, thank you and wish you happy learning.